I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, 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 I want it, I got it, I want it, want it, want it, want it, got it, want it, got it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it, yeah, you like my pussy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a DIY at home acrylic. Right here I'm just clipping my nails and about to remove the natural shine from my nails. Everything will be in the description box below of what I used and how I used it. I'm just clipping my cuticles. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to do this because my cuticles need to be clipped, which the proper term is the epinicium. Now I am not a licensed nail tech or cosmetologist or anything like that. I just know how to do them at home. So to save you that coin, we're gonna do this right home. Alright, so this is my $9. I'm sorry, y'all. Alright, so this is my drill. It was $9. Not the best. It was really cheap, but it got the job done, and it did remove the shine from my nails. And you guys will see again that I do go back in again with the 80 grit, which is going to come up right now. So I do go back in with the 80 grit, and I just will keep removing the shine from my nails. And yes, I have to make sure I remove it entirely because I do not want my nails to lift at all. And I'm just dusting away because we don't want that dust. So your nails should look similar to mine. So now I'm just going to buff them. So right here, I like to just dip my brush directly into the liquid, go out one time, and go directly into my powder. And that is exactly the liquid to be, or whatever the hell you want to call it, ratio that I like to do. So that's a big bead. You don't need that much. I did that much. Yeah, I like to put it directly kind of where the tip and the natural nail meets. I like to put it right there, and I just pat it down. Just pat, 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 and you're gonna brush it. Once you get through patting it down, once it's to your liking, I'm just gonna brush it. Alright, so right here I'm gonna just place that right there near my cuticle area. But what we want to do actually is we want to avoid the cuticle area. So we do not want to get any acrylic on our skin. Why? Because it'll cause lifting, and our nails will be basically a waste of time and a waste of product. We do not want to waste time nor product. So we want to make sure that we are wiping around the nail. I don't even know if I did it or not, but just know that we don't want to do that. We want to make sure that we pat that in place and that it is to our liking. And like I said, that this nail was kind of a little bit thicker, and I kind of did go overboard with that, which is why I'm trying to pat at the last minute. So another thing also is make sure that you work smarter, as another fellow YouTuber said, smarter not harder, just to ensure that you're not going overboard and you're not doing the most the way, because it'll make it so much easier in the end. You guys right here where I kind of messed up at, but I like to add a little bit of a hump and that arch right there. So I'm just gonna go on to my next nail, and you guys will see that in a minute. But yeah, I like to put some at the tip. And you see how I did that? What we want to do is make sure that we let gravity do its job. So we just place that on our nail, and we just put our nail down and just swipe down, girl. It's not that hard. It makes it so much easier rather than trying to figure it out. No, girl, just let gravity work. And we're just wiping it down. We're wiping it down. And you see exactly what I do. Nothing hard, nothing to grabs. Literally just go directly into the liquid and go directly out, and that's it. I place that bead right there right above where I placed the first bead at, and I pat it down. I do not touch my cuticle area at all. Why? Because we do not want lifting. Oh my god. For the most part, everything is pretty much self-explanatory. Even if you are a beginner, you pretty much can grasp the idea of what I'm doing, because it's really not that hard as people are trying to make it seem. It's probably the easiest. Girl, this shit is so easy. It is very, very easy. Once you get the hang of it, it'll be easy. Also, if I didn't mention, this is the number 12 brush that I got from my local nail store. And yeah. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing. I keep saying this is because I don't want no one to get confused about what we're doing. We're literally just letting gravity do its job. You see that? I didn't have to put any work in. I put the bead there, I put my hand directly down, and I let gravity do its job, and I make sure I pat it in place, and I just get that excess acrylic off. Alright, so this is a pretty good angle right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how gravity does its job and how this is very, very simple. I keep repeating the same things because girl, I don't even know, girl, I'm sleepy shit. But look, that's all you're doing, girl. It's so damn easy. Alright, so I do make sure that I put a little bit of acrylic at the tip, because I hate a weak tip, and I just want to make sure I put it there. So sometimes I do my pinky last because I don't want to put on too much, and sometimes I want to put on too little. So I'm just doing the same exact method that I did with the rest of them, and I'm laying my acrylic lightly. I'm not going going too crazy. I'm not being too heavy-handed with my pinky. Just tapping to see my nails and just filling in any places that I need to fill in. Reshape our nails, and that's pretty much it. We're pretty much done with the whole acrylic process. So when you lay acrylic properly, you don't have to do as much shaping and go crazy with it because you have laid your acrylic properly. And a lot of just uses alcohol just to get away any excess dust and anything. That shit did burn, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but yeah. Alright, so I'm using this color Pool Party by the brand Gelaze. I got this lamp from Amazon. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box, girl. Yeah, girl, it'll be down there. So this is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just polishing my nails, and and usually I would use the acetone to get any excess polish off, but I just use my hand because I really didn't feel like getting up, so I just use my hand. So I put 2 coats of this polish on, and I leave it under the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I do the final coat with 60 seconds. And you see that a little bit of, I just wipe it directly off. But you see how smooth my polish went on because I did not go crazy when I laid my acrylic. That's it. This is so quick and easy, girl. Anybody can do this at home. Anybody. Whether you are a beginner, whether you're a little bit at, intermediate, or whether you're advanced, anybody can do this. Yeah, that's the first coat, and then I'm just gonna go back in with a second coat. So yep, that's the results. And all I did right here is just added some jewels to my nails. And I got these jewels from my local nail supply store, and I just used the glue that I used to put on my tips, which I got from Sally's. Again, everything will be in the description box below. I just use my tweezers because I don't have one of those little things. I made one, but it's not useful, so. Alright, so this is the end result. When everything is all done, it is looking very beautiful, nice and pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.